In today's video, we will see how to disable Device Health button in Okta Verify app on Windows. Let's get started. The Device Health button will display in the Okta Verify app in the top right corner. This is used to view the security health of your device to identify if it is exposed to any security risks. First, open the registry editor on your Windows computer. You can find it by searching for regedit in the Start menu. Next, navigate to Computer, H-key Local Machine, Software, Okta, and finally, Okta Verify. Once there, add a new value. Set Device Health options to Disabled. After you've made these changes, close the Okta Verify app, then reopen it. Your app should now be updated and ready to go. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.